Free Amazon gift card codes, limited time. Want to get a free Amazon gift card worth up to $100? Yes, it's real, and I'll show you how in just 60 seconds. All you have to do is visit this website. Website link in first comment. And they're currently giving out Amazon gift cards. Just choose your card amount, complete a quick survey or app install, and boom, gift card delivered. I did it myself and it works.
I'll show you how to get free gift cards. Select your gift card. Click Get Now button. Click the Verify button to verify that you are human. Complete any one of these 4 steps and get your code in just 60 seconds.